Welcome into my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you can use bananas that you don't particularly want to eat to make oatmeal banana cookies. But not just oatmeal banana cookies, they're going to be healthy oatmeal banana cookies. And we are going to learn how to make these real quick today here on Cookies, Conversations, and Me. Okay, the first thing you need to do is make sure your oven is on 350 degrees so it can warm up while we start the process of making the cookies. We're going to use 2 bananas. Okay, I've already peeled one. And one is in the bowl. Here it is. Second banana, real quick recipe. You can teach your kids how to do it with you. Now I don't measure, so all of the measurements will be at the end of the video. So we have 2 bananas in the bowl. You get a fork and you mash your banana real good. And I'm gonna show you mashing a banana. This could be the fun part for the kids. Make sure the bananas are really ripe and soft. This is why I make the oatmeal banana cookies, because I don't like soft bananas. So we mash the bananas in the bowl. We use 1 egg. Crack the egg. In it goes. I'm just going to throw everything in the sink for now. Then we have the oatmeal. You pour some oatmeal in. Like I said, I don't measure, but I'll have the measurements at the end of the video. I'm so used to doing this that I can do this with my eyes closed. Pour some oatmeal. You get some flour. Here's the flour. This is about half a cup of flour, but I'm going to need more than this. You can do self-rising flour, all-purpose flour, bread, whatever flour you have that's in your cupboard. The key is to make use of what you have. I'm going to pour some flour in. Okay, after you have the flour, the egg, the oatmeal, the bananas in the bowl, this is how everything is looking in here. This is how it's going to look. Mix it up a bit. And then I like to add a little bit of vanilla, just for some flavor. And some almond milk. So we don't drink milk. We don't drink white milk, but we use almond milk. And you can pour it in. This is a cup. You don't want the cookies to be too wet. So here's how it looks. You can add a little bit more milk. And for a little bit of flavor and crunch, we have some granola. You can use whatever type of granola that you like. And you improvise as you go. Be creative. It doesn't have to be my recipe, but the basis of it is the bananas, the almond milk, the egg, flour, sugar if you like, but I don't use sugar because the banana is the sweetener. Don't forget, it's the healthy version. It's a good breakfast cookie. Let's just add a little bit more oatmeal. And voila! Here are your oatmeal banana cookies. Okay, so now we have the cookie mixture already done. Looking all great and good. You get your baking sheet, a non-stick baking sheet. Sometimes I spray a bit of cooking spray on the baking sheet, even though it's non-stick. And then you drop your cookies on the sheet. You can have them as big as you want or as small as you want. Since I like to eat them for breakfast, I like to do a pretty good chunk. So we get this can also be a good way if you have young children to teach them how to count. 1 cookie, 2 cookies, 3 cookies, 4 cookies. The kids absolutely will love this part of making the cookies, dropping them on the sheets. Because of the size, I can get 6 cookies on this one sheet. So now that we have the cookies on the cookie sheet, we're going to put them in the oven. The oven temperature is 350. You put them in the oven. There it is in the oven, nice and warm and toasty. And then you wait, okay? It's going to take about 10-15 minutes for them to bake. And you can have them as brown as you want or as light as you want. It doesn't take long at all. We're back. And our cookies are done. The house is smelling so good. It smells like a yummy bakery in here. But nonetheless, our cookies are done. So here they are. Brown and toasty. What I like to do is flip them, and I've already flipped them, so I can get it a little browner. You can have it as brown as you want. And we take them out of the oven. Rest them right up here to cool. And here are our oatmeal banana cookies. But here's how it looks inside. Nice and warm. The steam is coming out. All the goodies and the bananas are in the oatmeal. And here's the taste test. Mmm. Yummy as usual. Thank you for joining me here at Cookies, Conversation, and Me. All the details about the cookies, the ingredients, and the measurements will be at the bottom of the screen. Thank you, and I'll see you again next time.